Joya.
I am Krisha Imaginay. I am Justin Joyner.
I'm Ian Dave Geronimo. I am Harvey Pisopino.
And we are the Group 1. Today we are going to discuss about the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs need to possess or able to develop entrepreneurial characteristics as part of their ability to succeed in business. So, an entrepreneur must need to possess any of the characteristics to be able to succeed in business. Some people have a natural sense of what it takes to be an entrepreneur, but anyone can be an entrepreneur through leadership development education. So, there are some people that now they have already the natural sense of being an entrepreneur or being business-minded. But any one of us can be an entrepreneur following the characteristics an entrepreneur must have. So, there are characteristics of an entrepreneur must have. So, we have the motivation and passion. And these are going to discuss by my co-reporter.
So one of the characteristics of an entrepreneur is motivation. So as we all know, as an entrepreneur, so we have a lot of sacrifices, a lot of money yang invest nato. And so second characteristics of an entrepreneur is we have a passion. So passion is a powerful emotion that drives to the people to pursue their dreams and their goals in life.
Vision is karang nakay vision sa imong business or business na unsay makuha nimo unsay for the future unsay kanang i-achieve nimo or unsaon nimo unsay pamaagi sa pag-achieve ani. And for confidence. Example, if karang sa restaurant ka, kinahanglan dapat ini magbaligya kag mga products or sell karang ini atbang mo sa mga consumer nimo dili ka luya or kanang kwan ka kanang energetic ka maghatag og mga products or kaning mga foods.
The decision making. So example ani kana bitaw ang ako negosyo which is the online seller. So kung saan mo nagplano kung saan ako pag kana bitaw pag-promote ang akong negosyo which is napay kanang duha ka option which is the option marketing strategy which is the social media marketing or the print advertising. So next, the innovation. Kani siya kay mo siya ang pagbago bitag mga produkto para mapanatili ang mga bitag mga kompetensya ni ana bitaw.
Next is rest taking. When it comes to rest taking, it means lisod jud siya maghimo o kuan kanang bestness kay nadra ang rest taking. But also it's gratifying. It means maghatag jud siya og pleasure, something satisfaction sa atong business. Next is curiosity. Pwede na ang curiosity nato kay mo welcome magkwanta og product, pwede nato mo kwanta sa pakaha ay ibutang nato isagol nito sa ubang product kung sa pa nganong i-portion nato siya ingani na product.
Persistence. Pero dapat na jud tay persistence para dili ra ta dali mo give up if ever makaagit ang mga failure. Then next is leadership. Ang leadership is not being just the boss but dapat ikaw ang leader, dapat kabalo ka mo guide sa imong mga members and ikaw ang ilhang may role model para makabuhat mo na nga plan.
So again, good morning everyone. So my task for this moment is to discuss or deliver to you the favorable effects or benefits of entrepreneurs. So we all know that being an entrepreneur has both favorable effects and potential drawbacks, but we will tackle first the favorable effects. So first, favorable effects is the economic growth. So syempre, being an entrepreneur is mag-grow jud ka economically. It is because when entrepreneurs create new products, services, and jobs, it improves their productivity and it will lead them to grow economically. Second effects is the job creation. So being an entrepreneur, it has the effects to others nga maka-create og job for them.
Number 3, innovation and creativity. So, kaning innovation and creativity dahil kanang nakay panita na nakay existing products. For example, nakay saging ay kanang nakatan. Imuha siyang para makaginansya ka og mas dako. Imuha nimo siyang kanba, imo siyang i-improve ba? Imo siyang i-improve. Imuha nimo siyang banana cake para magaginansya kang dako. Number 4, personal satisfaction and flexibility. So kaning personal satisfaction and flexibility, kung musulod kag entrepreneurship, kanang wala na magbuti mo, ikaw na mag-create sa imong kung unsaon nimo pagpadagan sa imong business nga imong gitukod, wala ka kabalo kung success ba siya or fail.
Again, if there is favorable effects, there is also an opposite effects, drawbacks of entrepreneurship. First, we have the financial risk. Start first, when running a business, you must be ready of a financial risk, no? Because there are times or there might be a time na we cannot predict if the business will succeed or if it fails. Next is the stress and mental health challenges. So most of entrepreneurships often face high levels of stress due to their lots of responsibilities, no? Business na kabalo kung unsay unahon nila nga buhaton because of starting a business, no? Must really have you must be mentally and financially stable.
So next, we have the unpredictable income. So for example, if you're a teacher, so imong monthly naara dyan na sa 30,000. So every monthly naakay 30,000 ka salary jobs. Unlike if you are an entrepreneur, kanang nagdepend ang imuhang income sa imuhang negosyo every month. So next, we have a failure and bankruptcy risk. So, ug musulod ganitag negosyo, so given na gyud na siya no nga naa jud nay failure or pwede ma-bankrupt ang imuhang negosyo.
So, to end with our discussion, I conclude that as an entrepreneur, you have to possess that specific characteristic because it is not always gaining economic benefits, personal satisfaction, and the potential for wealth, but also it involves significant risk, including financial instability, mental health challenges, and the possibility of failure. In that, the key to success is how you manage that risk in the business world.
That ends our presentation. Any questions or clarifications? Okay, let us hear the question from Alvin Kalayka.
As a entrepreneur, ma-apply mo na ito na tanang karakteristik sa atong business din. O saan na ito ma-ibala ng effective atong business. Kung nabay improvement sa mga.
So, thank you. For me, it depends on a person, no? If i-apply na niya sa iyang life or mamili na siya kung asa dito sa mga characteristics cause, no? Just like what I have said, no? There are people or person nga, they have the natural sense of characteristics sa mga entrepreneurs. And how will you find out kung effective to siya? No, in a way nga, makita nimo sa imong business nga, na succeed ka or if it fails. Okay, so mo siya.